3, 2, 1. And it's off. Comes off pretty easily. What is up, you guys? Your boy Stockett here. On today's video, we gonna be making my car look better, doing a headlight restoration, taking off the side pieces from the plastic, taking the muffler, and we gonna finish putting the brakes on. We only have right now 3, and we gonna finish the last one, which is that one. So I'm gonna try recording that since I haven't recorded the rest. And yeah, restoring my headlights right now. So got everything, got the tape, and I have everything right now. I'm also gonna take out these black things. I'm gonna take them off. So right now I'm gonna start taping the car. And I'm done with taping. Now I gotta do the oxidation remover. And yeah. Alright, so it says we're gonna start with the 1000 grit. So I'm on the last step, and we gotta apply this, which says that only apply a single coat. Alright, so I'm gonna do this right now. I'm gonna open this and we're gonna get to it. This is how it turned out. Looks pretty good in my opinion compared to that. It's cleaner, better looking. And I'm gonna do the other side right now. So I'm done, and this is how it looks like. 3, 2, 1. Sheesh. Yeah, I gotta take off the tape and let it dry for a little, and then yeah. Alright, so starting to come off. I bought this, and then now I'm taking some parts off, but it takes a little bit because I have to do it by hand, and the heat is pretty hard to take off. So I'm gonna keep going at it and show you the end results. Finally finished that door. Now I'm gonna do the driver's side door. So it could look matching for at least for a couple of days, and then I'll do the back door. So yeah, let's go. So I'm done with that door. I'm gonna take the final piece off, which is this one. It just sits sitting in the sun. I could just peel this off like that, and then there you go. Last piece, it's off. Now I just gotta hit it with the thing I bought and finish up cleaning this side. Some marks left to take off and everything. And yeah, we almost done. So a couple hours have passed, and I put the brake on, but didn't film it. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. I'm gonna finish clean the door. I haven't finished. Then I'm gonna clean the inside of the car because it's a little bit dirty. So yeah. So now we're gonna get to put this on it, spray it all everywhere. So it comes off quite easily. I'm gonna let that sit a little bit, so I could hit it with something with a card or something, and then wipe it with a towel, and then get it off. Hopefully it comes out like the other doors, cause I don't know if it's hot, so I could finish it and vacuum the inside because there's dirt and stuff inside. I'm gonna see if I could finish cleaning this. So started vacuuming the what the fuck is this shit, the trunk, and I'm halfway. So beso dong compare about the music. Yeah. And now I'm gonna try hitting the No, I'm gonna put the music down. So now I'm gonna try hitting the glue thing with the glue thing. Now I'm gonna use my ID. School ID, because I'm gonna fuck. I'm gonna see if I can take it off. It comes off pretty easily, but not. Yeah, it's alright. Could have been better. I'm gonna put you down and do this real quick so I could finish doing the trunk stuff. So yeah. Now we got it off. I just gotta hit it with like something with the marks, because it's not glue. I mean, it's a little bit, but like it's just marks of dirt. Need to hit it with something. I'm gonna keep doing the trunk stuff, so leave this for later on, because I need to finish the trunk real quick. Now I'm gonna put everything back in the car, but I don't know how to put it. I just put this tire, I forgot what it's called. I got the muffler in. Just need to throw the trash so I could put like some of the random stuff in my car. So I'm gonna throw this out real quick, and oil filters, that bag. So I'll be back. I'm gonna go throw it away. So I just threw the trash out. I'm gonna put oil filters, some other stuff in that bag, so there's not like all floating around when I'm driving. So let's do that real quick. I finished everything that's supposed to go in here. Just this, I'm gonna leave it out. I could give it to my dad so he could get money for this, and he said he could get like 80 or 40 bucks like off the old one. Cleaning supplies, they go inside. I use them to clean like the edges of the trunk, which I'm gonna do right now. The passenger side, because it's a little bit dirt from the carpet. Amazing lighting, you could tell for sure. But yeah, I'm gonna finish real quick. So I'm gonna finish the trunk, clean the edges, so I can move on to the quick. So we're back. I finished cleaning the trunk. Now I'm gonna clean the passenger side. So let me see it, and see you guys in the loop.
It's slowly moving.
Hey, go get another one.
And mullet.
Rubber mallet.
Where that?
No, I
You said it without one, dude.
Right there. Push it from there. Oh, hit it from that side.
Is it coming off?
Someone try to grab from here.
It's off. It's off?
It's off. Now, how do we take that off? Just pull it or what?
Yeah, just pull.
Hey, watch it with the car don't fall, bro.
No, it's not gonna fall.
Bro, this shit's light, trust me. And it's off. It's off. It smells like fucking fuel. I'm gonna be getting reactions of my muffler delete in my car. I think I've heard the cold start on this, but like I'm gonna put GoPros on the back or the front, I don't know. I'm gonna set my phone here so you can hear it. We got it on. It's gonna look so retarded, but like I don't know, that's the only place I could have put it. Hopefully it doesn't fall off from here like to the corner and shit. But yeah, I'm waiting the car to warm up. It's decent. I'll warm up a little bit, but, like,